Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to generate QR codes inside of Microsoft Office. There are a number of reasons why you may want to do this. Maybe you're a business owner sending a quote and you want a QR code that links to a payment processor for you to get paid. Or you might have a PowerPoint presentation with a link to where somebody can find more of your content at the end. Now, a QR code is better than a link in these cases because it eliminates a pain point or an extra step that people may find difficult or might slow them down. The good news is you can easily generate these codes inside of Office. Before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll leave links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so here's a presentation I was working on in PowerPoint on how to build a PC. At the very end of the presentation, I have a link to our website as well as our YouTube channel. Again, I don't want people to have to manually type these URL addresses as it might be difficult for them, or they could even make mistakes when trying to do so. We're not going to find the QR code generation natively available inside of Office, but rather through add-ins. So if I go to the Home tab, let's click on add-ins. And then in here, we're simply going to search QR space code. And what we're looking for is QR for Office. This is the add-in that we want. So let's click add. All right, so in this case, since I have multiple things linked, one option for me could be doing something like a link tree. Link tree is a service that basically gives you one link. When people go to that link, you've got a list of other links hosted within that link for this video. I'm just gonna send them to our website. I'm gonna go ahead and select that link, indigosoftwarecompany.com. And here we have our add-in. Let's start by changing the protocol to HTTPS. That is what you will most likely want in most cases. Okay, and then I'll paste the link. And I might not want this to be black given how dark my theme is here on PowerPoint. So instead, let me go for a lighter gray or maybe even something with a little pop of color. Maybe like a green color. Maybe I'll just go for white, actually. I think that's a little cleaner. And then I can adjust the size and I can click insert. Okay, and then one thing I need to change as well is the background here. Let's see if I can maybe set it to something like a transparent background. Okay, maybe not, but let's just go for black and I'll press insert. All right, and here we have our QR code. This should be easily scannable for people who might be in the audience as I'm presenting this PowerPoint. All right, and then here I have my phone. We'll put the screen up on the video. I'm gonna show you guys using this QR code on my iPhone. All right, guys, and then on my phone here, I'm just going to hover over the link here and then I will click. And as we can see, that brings us straight to the Indigo Software website. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything we covered, feel free to drop those in the comments below and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll leave links down below. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have any specific suggestions of your own, we'd love to hear what those are. Most commented viewer video requests get made into actual videos on our channel. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.